I'm Robert Allison, and I'm one of the 2 drama teachers here at Mays Conservatory of the Arts. And this is our Black Box Theater, one of our functioning theaters here at the school. We invite you to come and audition for us with a 1-minute monologue that is age appropriate and a song from any musical, and we'd like to see your talent and some improv skills. We'll talk to you and we'll do an interview, and we're excited about you coming to our school, and we'd love for you to come here to Mays and join us in our drama family. Both Mr. Acevedo and myself are looking forward to meeting you. Thank you.
I'm Mr. Acevedo, and welcome to our main stage. This is where we perform all of our productions. Now, we're going to share with you what you need to prepare in order to come to our school.
Do you ever even think about how being alive and actually living are 2 completely different things? Well, they may sound like the same thing to you, but trust me, what you're doing right now, Ray, it's not living. Yes, you're alive, but sitting around at your house all day, staring at the TV, you're not experiencing anything except for what's next on Fuller House. You need to wake up from your fantasy world, Ray.
When she learns that the boy has got me pulled in a new direction, and I think I like it. I'm being pulled in a new direction.
Oh, no, please. I'm trying to protect myself, protect my family.
COVID doesn't exist.
Yes, it does. Please. Put your hand on this feet, move.
We look forward to meeting you.